It's time for movie day. You could bring PG, not PG-13, not rated R, not NC-17. You will expel it. So let's start it. Julio the Gamer, what your movie bought? I got Every Day Yet on DVD. Good job. That movie is rated PG. Go to principal's office, get a month. We could watch a movie later. Good job. That movie is rated PG. Go to office. Talking Tom Jetski. So Talking Tom Jetski, what your movie did you bring? I bought I Hate Jetski 2.
Talking Tom Jetski. Hey, Talking Tom Jetski 2 is not allowed from this movie. That's it, go home now.
Poppy and Me Film 4, what you guys movie bring? I brought A Wrinkle in Time. And I brought Kung Fu Panda on 2008 DVD. Good job. This movies are rated PG. You can go now.